gotta see Kelly trying to skate. It's really funny.
Hey, Frankie, you shouldn't make fun of Kelly. I mean, she's just learning. It takes time.
Yeah.
I'll bet Kelly will be a great skater someday.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Forget about it. Not as good as you or me, I bet.
Hey, you never know. I mean, there was a time when I wasn't a good skater at all.
Really?
That's right. Everyone in my family could roller skate. Everyone in my family but me. I can tell you it doesn't feel great when everyone else can roller skate. Everyone in my family but me. Dad said it doesn't matter, just keep trying hard. Mom picked me up when I fell down in our backyard. And even my sister helped me, though I wasn't sure she would. So I kept trying, and then one day I could. And then everyone in my family could roller skate. Everyone in my family and me. So today when I see a kid having trouble the way I did, I try to help, I don't make fun, 'cause I'm thinking back to when everyone in my family could roller skate but me. So, what do you think, Frankie?
Gee, Big Bird. Well, I think maybe you and me could help Kelly with her skating.
Yeah. Hey, Kelly, how'd you like a few lessons?
Yeah, come on over, Kelly.